Nearly every conversation I have with enterprise leaders leads to the subject matter of cost optimization, a term that certainly is very relevant today, but it means different things to different people. So if you ask someone from the business process side of the house, they'll have a different view of cost optimization than, say, the IT group. And even the IT group within the same organization will have a different view of cost optimization from, say, the IT group of an organization that's a competitor. Some organizations even view cost optimization as more or less a tactical checklist of things to do or not to do. We view cost optimization as a mindset. This begins with rethinking the cost structures, not necessarily the underlying applications, but the cost structures themselves. This means approaching each cost measure and each cost initiative as an agile sprint. Cost optimization really works best when you understand the business requirements and the risks associated with performance and information security. Zero-based principles, when applied, can help an organization really continually assess and reassess how well their cost optimization is lining up with their various business objectives and the business vision as well. Think of it this way. Every organization has a digital transformation journey. They're looking at their digital backbone. How do they move more apps to the cloud? And a cost optimization plan can actually not only get you there, but also unlock various capital that will support the various projects around that. When it comes to mergers and acquisitions, and even divestitures, cost optimization can help with the synchronization of the business operations that are associated with the new operating companies. Done right, rigorous cost optimization will help every organization produce cleaner, more efficient business processes, help them to eliminate the assets that have diminishing returns, help them to redeploy assets that are better suited for enterprise agility and to help with the business resiliency. We have the right tools, the right data, the knowledge, and the experience to help you to be able to mine process inefficiencies. We can help you identify and execute on very specific cost initiatives, cost takeout measures that are best suited for your organization. Not every cost is the same. We can actually help you build a comprehensive cost optimization strategy that can make your organization more competitive in the digital era. We will be happy to talk to you about a rapid assessment to help identify opportunities and somewhat of a quick start to a big impact.